making delicious summer cocktails using Klatch Cometeer. So next up is going to be our cooling coconut lime. So I've got a beautiful glass here. This should be a layered drink, so you want to find some beautiful glassware to present this drink in, and that's pretty much the hardest part of it. So I've got my ice in my glass. I'm gonna go ahead and add about a ½ ounce of simple syrup right to the cup. We'll make sure we got a nice layer there, beautiful. Next up, canned coconut milk. I like to use full fat in this instant, excuse me. And we are just gonna take that coconut milk and we're just gonna lay it right on top. And you can see it's laying right on top of our simple syrup. And we're gonna add about 1.5 ounces of that coconut milk. All right, again, full fat, make sure you shake that can really well before you use it because you want to combine all that deliciousness. And then last, our Klatch Cometeer, and we are just gonna lay that on top of our coconut milk. I said last, it's not last, because it's a cooling coconut lime, the lime in the coconut. So, we've got a lime wedge here. Now this glass does not allow me to set it on, so I instead like hang it on the edge. So I'm just gonna spritz a little bit of it, get some of the oil, it's just a touch of that juice, brightens up that coconut milk. Again, it's full fat, so we wanna kind of brighten it up. And then we're just gonna set it right there. And here you have a delicious summer cocktail, your cooling coconut lime. Enjoy.